In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to use special characters and accents here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, in order to do that, we need to enable our touch keyboard. So by that, navigate to the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so from here, please proceed to the left pane and proceed with personalization. Please click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you need to scroll down here and locate for the taskbar. So please click on it and that way you'll be able to open the taskbar settings. So here you'll be able to see taskbar items and system tray icons. So we need to navigate here rather, and click on this down arrow key and there you can see three options. Please proceed with the touch keyboard. Click on this down arrow key and go with this always. So once you have enabled the touch keyboard, you need to close the window, navigate to the button search bar, and type for any document app like Notepad, Microsoft Word, or any. Okay, so type for Notepad here, and then once the best match would appear, please navigate to the right side and click on the open option so that you can open this window. Okay, so first we need to open our touch keyboard. So here at the taskbar, click on this touch keyboard icon. The moment you have opened it, okay, in order to type or to use special characters and accents, just long press the key here. Let's say, for example, this letter A, just long press, or you can make a left click, and in that way you'll be able to long press that, and there you can see this one. So you can also use big letters, or you can also use small letters by clicking on this one, and then go with it. Okay, and that way you'll be able to use that. Okay, so there you can see small letters. So as long as you can long press with that particular letter, you can create or you can use special characters here in your Windows 11. Okay, might as well as the accents. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.